Letterhead. Impressive letterhead designs are ready for you to communicate in style. Choose and download the design you like. You could see the profile details are already updated on it by
VistaShopee Tally.
Personalize it with the text content. Choose to type or simply copy and paste it. Font size and colors are manageable. You may add ready messages given by
VistaShopee Tally.
You may change background of the letterhead without changing the content added to it. You may actually sign the document through an inbuilt editor given in
VistaShopee Tally.
Or can import your digital signature or even stamp image through this inbuilt editor on letterhead. Save and share using different medias.